All right, we're making a blizzard and a blizzard. Of course, I've been inspired by TikTok. You only need a few ingredients. You need heavy whipping cream, some sweetened condensed milk, and then some salt. Make a little divot. Then you're gonna add some salt, put it in. Then add some heavy whipping cream, sweetened condensed milk. And then I'm adding a little dash of vanilla. And then you whip. This is not for the weak.
Spatula.
They're lying to you guys. It's not good.